This video covers the diminished 7th chord built on B flat. So it's a B flat, a D flat, an F flat, and a G, or an A double flat actually, which is a G on a piano. These are the two black keys involved. So we're going to use this, the 3 and the 4 on the black keys, and then the 1 and 2 on the others. But we're starting on the D flat. So you come down here. So do the tremolo exercise 1 and 2 octaves on this first to help drill this into your fingers. So it's here, accents, drop the wrist on the accents, and then 2 octaves. There, and then do the full 1, 2, 3, and 4 octave pattern. And you can start way down here. It's below here. Here. Do the full thing. You don't necessarily need to do the inversions, in my opinion, because the inversions are other triads that are other videos we cover, other diminished 7th chords. So it's just here. And then the the contrary and parallel motion, and what I'm trying to do with my hands. The full thing. Yeah.